All right, everyone, new day, same things. Take a deep breath and let's get ready. We're going to start off by rubbing all the tears that you cried last night while nobody was looking all over your face. This is really going to help moisturize and set a good base for the rest of the problems we're going to be covering up. Salty. Just what I thought. You're really going to want to take your time massaging this in so that hopefully you can absorb all of the problems that you've been repressing and move on with your life. Now we're going to go in and cover up all of our problems. I'm going to be using internet memes and bad humor. I like to put this on top of my anxiety, depression, my need to be validated on the internet. And then I just go ahead and blend with my finger because I'm lazy. So we're just going to go in, blend that out. You really want to make sure that your anxiety and depression are like super covered up. You don't want anybody to see those. Now we're going to go in with some posts about being happy. And we're going to rub this all over our face to really cover up any other underlying problems that we have so that nobody thinks that anything's wrong. And you can keep wondering why nobody ever asked why anything's wrong. So we're just going to go ahead, rub that in. Just rub that all over. Make sure you get some good coverage because, like I said, we don't need anybody to know that we have problems. We are perfect. We don't have anything wrong with us. Everything's great. Probably going to need some more, yeah. And now we're just going to go in with accepting advice that others give us. We're not actually accepting the advice that other people give us. We're just pretending that we are, just like we're pretending that this is doing anything at all. Now I'm just going to go in with this shade. It is called I'm Winded from Running from My Problems. We really want to get that kind of like red, rosy, flushed. I've been running from my problems for years at this point. Look, perfect. Now I'm going to go in with I want to be skinny like the models on Instagram, but don't want to put in that much effort. And I'm just going to go ahead and put this all over my face. And think about all of the carbs that I should not be eating and all of the money I could be spending on fillers to not have to do this. And then realize that I can't afford fillers and I like eating carbs. So this is going to have to do. Then I'm just going to top this off with my sparkling personality and really make sure that this is so blinding and wonderful that nobody even really looks at anything else that I put on top of my problems because they're just so blinded by my wonderful personality. Amazing. Quick reality check lets you know that some of your base problems are coming through, like your giant need to be validated on the internet. Not to worry, there's a meme for that. Any other little problems poking through, like your financial instability or the fact that you don't have a career path as of yet, just memes. Memes everywhere. And when memes aren't enough, we're going to go in with some feel-good videos of dogs and cats to help distract you from any of your problems. Because if a meme can't make it better, a puppy sure can. We're just going to finish off this look by adding a little sharpness that helps keep everyone away from you. So even though you look great and wonderful and like you have no problems, it lets people know that maybe she does. Maybe I should stay like 5 to 10 feet away from her. And now you're ready to step out of the shadows of which you were born and interact with other people. Great.